So, can this gestational diabetes can be managed by diet or by nutrition? So this will be like you're expert in nutrition. So
Uh, the thing
is
is,
it?
any diabetes would be managed by the diet. So, thank you for asking the question. Nutrition and food and diet and lifestyle. There's no other
100,
way. So,
100%.
diabetes is a chronic condition. Now, coming to gestational diabetes, is a small term things. It comes and goes. Yeah, because it's normally it goes. For some mother, it doesn't go, but normally it stays for like 6 months or 4 months. So it's a high chance that it will go. Now the thing is, without do they need any medication? If somehow, because first doctor will check, or nutritionist or dietitian from the hospital, they will check with the diet, and they provide everything to mother. What kind of they do low glycemic index food chart, which is, so what is that is, so when you eat some food after a certain time, what would be the sugar level? Some food after you eat it, the sugar level in the blood rise very fast, which is high glycemic food. Yeah, like you can say it's like some sugar, banana, cake, stuff like that. So that's why the doctor try their best to control the diabetes, and maybe not to have over body weight during the pregnancy period. So they do a lot of diet, and diet is the only way. So what I mentioned, that low glycemic.
What kind of diet? Like what kind of foods do you
Yeah,
recommend?
that sounds. So as I said, the low glycemic diet,
Yeah.
which is they can find anywhere, internet, everywhere. So I explained that this is first thing, I have to go for low glycemic food. Is try to understand that your baby cannot have too much sugar and no sugar, too much sugar and no sugar in the pregnancy, in the womb. And same thing for you. It can cause preeclampsia, which is a type of shaky kind of seizure things in the body. You can't have it.
Okay.
So this is the food is very important this time. People don't like it, but it's Kerala, which is a bitter gourd. We call it bitter gourd. And now, if I say, a lot of people say, we can't have bitter gourd. You can actually, it wouldn't be bitter if you don't cut it, if you just boil it, or you just cook it without cut it. Yeah,
Yeah.
you wouldn't feel any bitterness in there, and you're gonna actually have it without feeling any bitterness, and you're gonna have all
Okay.
the good things. So Kerala is one of the very good one, because this actually helps the sugar to put inside the cells.
All
It's very
right.
good.